I want to have a vodka juice.
No. When I sleep with Björn, I said, will you dance with me to the door?
Chicken head.
And he drove me, I think, to the door. And I say, I'm not going home because I don't want the kids to see me like that. Take me to
Juice. So juice.
juice. Something, they put something in the juice.
She was overjuiced.
They were overjuiced.
Juice.
Það var mjög gott að bragða.
You were dating Tota before, right?
Yeah, I was dating Tota.
Yeah, they were meeting, yeah, they were meeting. So, I say, I go to Ramsey, and what was the name? Þorvarður.
Yeah.
I don't want to let the kids see me like that. So he to the room and you say, I was preaching, juiced. If you are going to be a minister, a Catholic minister, you never have a chance.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah. Aldrei, eiga börn, já.
Blind full af væla.
She was preaching to me.
And then what?
And then what? Then you threw up on it.
And you got very, very sick.
Þetta var ekkert voðalega skemmtilega, sko.
I would like to be my...
Já.
You said I would be very proud to be your sister.
Já, já.
And he was thinking, I don't know.
Which sister?
What is she talking about? What is this woman talking about?
And then we went home and told them, we were okay, and David went away to the States. And Tota had to stay or wait for 6 months or later. Because Ole posted, see also Ole posted, you remember? Er nokkuð bréf til mig núna? No, it's not, ekki bréf til þín núna. Svo Tota sagði, nú hann búinn að gleyma mér.
But he didn't.
No. And at least, loksins kom bréf. Komdu til mín, elskan mín, og hún bara...
Flew over that.
I had over the cuckoo's nest. So I had to straighten some things out in my mind.
Is that right?
You're right.
So you remember. But who babysat us?
Yeah.
I'm wondering, were we alone at home while some mother was juiced up on base?
Yeah, up on the base.
Who was babysitting us? Nobody. Nobody was. We were alone. Oh, Pop.
A horse and carriage, Dad was told by Mother. You can't have one, you can't have none.
Þrír kettlingar sem kúra þar í kór nú væla sjá. Við höfum tapað hönskunum, ó mamma, 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 mjá, 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 mjá.
I wanna live fast, love hard, die young, and leave a beautiful memory. I wanna live fast, love hard, die young, and leave a beautiful memory. I don't want slow walking, sad singing, let them have a jubilee. I wanna leave a lot of happy women thinking pretty thoughts of me. I wanna live fast, live hard, die young, and leave a beautiful memory. Believe me, not approve of the things that I do, but it really don't bother me. So don't ever think you're gonna tie me down. I'm gonna stay footloose, fancy free, jump back, make tracks or move out. Let the gals and me. I wanna live fast, love hard, die young, and leave a beautiful memory. Yeah.
Noma fjari blue. Oh, I love that high part. Just love it. And it's so beautiful.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shawty, with you, with you, shawty, with you, with you, under the mistletoe. Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the street, Santa's coming tonight. Reindeers flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Shawty with you, shawty with you.
On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way is on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.
Þetta er kollan á hann.
Hættu nú bara.
Þetta er úr hauki, kallakonni við döfum. Þetta er haukur í kallakonni.
Já.
Hættu kallakonni.
Þetta er nú ekki mjög hérna, þetta er ekki mjög.
Þetta er ekki aðlaðandi. Ég myndi eiginlega láta vita af þessu.
Hverju?
Við erum ekkert að hún er...
Hann hafði mist kollun á þónni, hann lítur á sjástjörn og skollóttur hann inni.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
Við erum stödd hérna á Waffle House, eldsnemma á mótni í, hvað er þetta, Virginia?
Roanoke Rabbit.
Roanoke Rabbit.
Roanoke Rabbit.
Mjög skemmtilegur
Og hinum minn. Þá var það eiginlega að taka mynd af þeim félögum hérna.
Ég ætla að taka mynd af henni hérna sko. Hverju?
Jú,
Já, ég höfðu mér.
Hvernig finnst þér á þetta Sálmi? Hvernig finnst þér á þetta? Það voru gaman að prófa þetta. Það var með þegar maður sé vöflujárni hjá þeim hérna.
Ég var að taka mynd af stofnleðunum hérna. Þessu tveimur hana.
Hérna eru félagarnir sem stofnuðu þetta. Tom og Joe.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Þetta er búin að borða og mikið, það málið.
Nú var ekkert brauð heldur sko. Þannig að það er ekki brauði, við vorum eiginlega búin að ímynda okkur að hann væri með gerofnæmi.
Það var 4-5 svona sprinkler, ég tengur þetta með sprinkler. Það gaf mér að sjálfum.
Þú var maður að setja þar út á tún. Það er svo bara kjöt.
Já.
Það er ekki regla læknisskoða heima í Íslandi, það er eins og aðri. Blóðþrýstingur, blóðprufur, svalprufur og...
Þú varst bara veikur eftir að fórst á okkur síðan.
Hjartarafrit og svona. Hjartarafrit og svona.
Lappa fór út í göngutúr niður Laugaveginn og hún lappar þarna og svo hittur hún James Bond, myndarlegur maður svona og hún
Goggar í hann aðeins.
Goggar hann síðan. Who are you? Bond. James Bond. What's your name? Hen. Chicken.
Hvað er?
Er þetta?
Ég er ekki að skilja hana brandara. Það er?
Hen. Bond. Mér finnst þetta að fyndi. Á ég út þetta?
Já.
Bond. James Bond sagði alltaf. Bond. James Bond. Svona. Og hver er þú? Hen. Chicken.
Eigi við bátt maður.
Ég leit eina lilju í holti hún lifði hjá steinum á mér. Svo blíð og svo björt og svo auðmjúk, en blettin sinn prýddi hún vel. Ég veit það úti engin, mörg önnur sem glitrar og skín. Ég þræt ekki litin ég ljóma, en liljan í holtin mín. Þessi lilja mín lifandi trú. Þessi lilja mín lifandi trú. Hún ljós mitt og von mín og þessi lilja mín lifandi trú. Og þó að í vindunum á völlum og engjum hvert blóm, og haustvindar blási heiðar með hörðum og deyðandi róm, og veturinn komi með kulda og klaka